Hey everyone, Reggie Blend here, and in this video we're gonna be looking at how to make some cool reflections in Blender. Well, I'm not really sure what we're gonna be doing, but I just picked up the mic and said I wanted to record something. So let's just start with a cube. What can we make that will reflect on this cube? Go bevel the edges. Ctrl B to bevel. Then Shift A, let's add a circle. UV sphere. Our light source. And we'll add just a smooth it out. Subdivision surface modifier. And as usual, add a new material. Emission. Change this to 10. And leave it at any color you want. We're gonna be doing it in cycles. And delete every other source of light. Change the background color to black, like totally black. Change this cube to glass. So you can see something's going on. I'm not really sure, but first I'm gonna create a mix shader and mix some transparent BSDF with glass. Okay, now you're seeing some reflections will start to occur between the light source and the little cube that we put into the scene. So this is the first method of reflection we're going to be looking in this video, and hope you like it. Watch the end, and let's go on to the next method or whatever. Okay, so this is the second method we're going to be doing for this video, and I'm going to be using a human head. You can get it from I'll leave a link in the description how to get this the model of the head I'm going to be using. So is an add-on called Make Human, something like that, I think. So you just shift it to be somewhere here, face builder, this builder head. Just add the head. Yes, the head has been added. So you add a plane, rotate it on the y-axis by 90 as R Y. Now I'll be scaling it. I'll move it towards the X and now scale it along the z-axis. Hit it to the other side. So now you press Ctrl Alt 0 in order to snap the camera to the position that you're looking at in the solid view. So now we're doing the materials, so you're going to add a new material, change it to a mix shader. I'm going to be adding, as I used for the other one, the glass shader and the transparent BSDF. Okay, so for this we're going to be emitting blue and red. You can choose any color you want, so this will be red, 10, and this will be blue. Okay, so now I'm gonna undo and make sure you are in cycles. Want to see this really cool effect. Okay, and don't forget to change your background to totally black. So you go to the shading tab. Again, I'm gonna change something here. I'm gonna add in a new mix shader. Just duplicate this one in a glossy BSDF. Glossy. Yeah. you're gonna be tweaking the settings until you get something that you actually like. So thanks for watching this video. I will show you some of the pictures I got from the renders, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, share this video to your friends and family. So I'll see you guys in the future.